Hello friends, welcome back to the TechSupper channel. Today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the interactive interface of Oracle Integration Cloud. Oracle recently launched a new interface for the Oracle Integration Cloud. So today in this video, I'm going to walk you through the whole interface which has been changed, what are the new feature has been added in the new interface and how you can get that new interface. So before I go ahead, please subscribe my channel so that you can get directly notification in your notification list as soon as I subscribe, as soon as I publish a new video. So let's get started and see all the new UI of Oracle Integration Cloud. Enhanced user interface of Oracle Integration Cloud offer a lot of new features. So in this user interface of Oracle Integration Cloud, new features has been added which you will enjoy, like to filter your interface integration, filter of your connections, filter of agents, filter of packages. Lot of new features has been added. You have a different way to search your integration. You have different way to filter your integration. This UI is built on Oracle JavaScript extension toolkit, which is called Oracle Jet. It utilizes full benefits of a JavaScript, CSS3, and HTML design and development principles. So the new interface is built on the Oracle Jet. The new UI, the new UI is controlled by feature flag as of now, oic.ics.featureflag.spa.designer. So if you wanted to enjoy the new UI of Oracle Integration Cloud, then you have to raise a service request with Oracle to get the new UI. As of now, this new UI is controlled by feature flag, but soon it will be generally available and every customer will enjoy the new UI. So let me just highlight of all the new UI and I'm going to describe all the new features in details. Different UI of components, integration or connection. Here now when you will log in into the integration cloud, you will see the completely new user interface to see all the integration. Here you see the totally different UI from the older one, and here you see the list of integration is showing in a different manner, like name, version, style, last updated, and then status. If its status is showing active, which means the integration is in active mode. Allow you to view the dependent resources of an integration. What does it mean? Let's suppose you have one connection and this connection is used in 5 integration or 1 integration. So whenever you move to the connections page, here there is a column called usages which will show this connection is used in how many integration. When you click on the number, it will open a dialog box which is called connection is in use, and where it will list all the integrations which are used in particular connection, and it will show the connections in the active mode and the connection in inactive. So the connections which are active mode, it will be marked as a green. The connections which are not active will be shown as a editable mode. So this is the new feature you can enjoy. So there are various, there are sometimes you need to see this connection is used in how many integration. Now you can see, you can just click on the number of the usages column and then you can view. Inline editing of connection properties on connection page. In the old UI, whenever you need to edit the connection properties or you need to add the connection properties on the connection page, you need to click on the configure security or configure properties button, which would allow you to edit the connection properties. Here, there is no button. You now can inline edit. There's a input boxes which will allow you to edit the connections directly without clicking on the certain button, which will remove the extra steps by clicking on the button, which will open the dialog box, and then you will click on OK. So these are the steps will be reduced. Now all the properties can be edited inline. So this feature you will get in each and every connection. Filter components based on logged in user. Now, whenever the user will log in into the Oracle Integration Cloud, by default, it will show all the integration which he or she has updated or which he or she has created. So here you see in that integration list, it is showing updated by demo user. I'm logged in as a demo user, and it is filtering all the integrations which are created or updated by demo user. Same ways you will see the same feature in the connection, agent, packages, whatever components you see in the integration under the Oracle integration. If you click on a cross sign, then all the integrations will be filtered out. Different ways to filter components. Over here you see there's a filter button which will allow you to filter your integration in different ways. Here you see there are uh, different options like sort by, created by, updated by. There's a by connection, by integration type. Same way in the connection also you have a different filter, and same way in the agents as well. So you will enjoy all these filters in other components as well. Different navigation of integration. Now the integration navigation has been changed. In the old UI, you may have seen that all the monitoring, setting, and then designer all was under that integration. Now all are dependent. Under integrations, here you see the under integrations list, you only will see the design related component like integrations, connections, agents, and packages and libraries. But now if you wanted to monitor your integration, you have to go to the monitoring tab, which will show you the dashboard, integration, agents, tracking, and then errors. Now if you wanted to make certain settings, then you have to go to the last navigation, which is called settings, and under the setting you will get integration, and then you can do the settings which you want. So the navigations has also been changed. New monitoring integration dashboard. Now so it's a very interactive dashboard, and here on the monitoring integrations dashboard, it will show on top of that how many instances received, how many got processed, how many got succeeded, aired out, and then zero. And by default, it will filter out of last hour active and then sort by last updated. So this is the new monitoring integration UI. Then consolidated dashboard. So here you will enjoy a consolidated dashboard wherein it will show the runtime health, the system health, agent health, integration, scheduling, design time matrix through graph, which will allow you to see the hourly history of last 24 hours and daily history of last 30 days. In the earlier UI, there was a drop down which was allowing you to filter integration health, system health by clicking on that particular uh, list of value. Now here on top of this, you see the view and then log. If you want to download log, you have to click on the log, and from where you can download the logs. Now another most important feature like import and configure resources. When you import any integration, right, using that import button on the integration page, right, in the earlier UI you may have seen only two buttons like import and then cancel. Here you see another button which is called import and configure. Import and configure means that suppose in this particular imported integration, two connections are previously used. Now if you are deploying this connection on the target instance, and the connections are created with different name, right? In the earlier release of Oracle integration, there were couple of ways which will allow you to update the connection name in the integration. But now Oracle has offered the out of the box feature which will allow you to inline editing of the connection page. For example, I am saying I am importing this integration like FTP to ATP integration. Let's suppose in this integration I am using two connection name like FTP connection learning and then ATP connection learning, right? I am saying this ATP connection learning is not on my target instance, and I have a different connection. I have the same type of connection but with different name. Now here you see the use existing drop down will allow you to select the ATP, the same connection type. Once you will select it, then the integration will start using that connection with name ATP underscore connection, and then save, and then integration on a new instance will start using that different connection name. So this is a new feature and it's a very important feature. Okay, now I will switch to the Oracle integration dashboard and will show you all these navigation, all the new UI. Here we are. Here you see I have just logged in on the Oracle integration, and here you see the integration, monitoring, and then setting. Under integration, you see the integration, connections, lookups, packages, agents, adapters, and then libraries. If you go back, you will enjoy the monitoring dashboard, and under monitoring, you will see the usages matrix and then integration. Under integration, you have dashboard, integration, agents, tracking, and then errors. And then same ways, if you see the settings, under that settings, you will see integration, the notification, database, recommendations, API platform, and then tracing. Now, let's go back and see the integration. Click on the integration. Here you see I have logged in with name as a demo user. So here it will show the updated by demo user. All the integration which are updated by demo user has been filtered out. Now, if you cross this sign, you will be able to see all the integration which are created by different user. And here you see now there is no load more button. It is on, you just scroll down and all the integration will be loaded automatically. If you go up, here you see. Now another feature, here you see here is a search box. You just click on this if you wanted to search your integration with name ATP. Here all the integration which contains the ATP word will be filtered out. Okay, same ways you can see this filter button wherein you can do sort by, you can do, you can filter by different user, like say demo user again, and then apply. Here you see all the integration which are updated or created by demo user will be visible over here. Same ways you can do the status wise, then type wise, and then style wise, and then cancel. Here you see there are two things. One is this view, and then another is list view. You have a refresh button to refresh it as well. Same type of UI you will see on the connections as well. Just close it. Here you see all the connections. The lookups screen has been changed. The packages screen should be changed. The agent, and then adapters, and then libraries. Now here you see that all the UI has been changed. Okay. Now I will show you one thing: integration and then connections. Under that connections, you will see the usages which will show this connection is used in how many integration. If you click on the number, it will show you the integration name which has been used and which is using this ATP connection. Same ways, if you go down, here you see the two integrations. This connection is used in two integration, and it is showing the integration name as well. Here it shows this integration is active. That's the reason it is green. Libraries, if this library is used in any one of the integration, same way it will show you. Now another thing, if you click on the FTP connection, for example, now here you see you are able to edit your connection inline. Here you need to provide the integrate the connections detail inline. You don't need to click any one of the button which will allow you to enter these properties. No, the connection properties can be edited inline. Okay, now go back. Here, go to the integration, and here I will show you the import and then replace feature. Click on the import and then click on the choose file. Let's suppose I have this integration, and here you see import and configure button has been enabled. Just click on this. When you click on this, here it will open that page, and this shows all the connections which you have used. If this connection is using any lookup, then lookup also will be listed over here. Here you see in this integration I am using two connections. It is showing connection Existing connection name is FTP connection learning, ATP connection learning. It is saying status is configured, which means these two connections are already configured. That's the reason it is showing configured. If you wanted to replace this connection, right, with any other name of that same type, then you can just click on this and it will list all the connections of the same type. If you wanted to use it, just click on it. Okay, and then save. Now this integration which you are trying to import will start using this ATP connection, and here you will show this connection is used in 8 integration. Now this connection is used in 5 integration. Now just save it. Okay, now go back. Here you will see all the buttons over here has been changed. If you wanted to activate, you have to click on this activate icon, and which will allow you to open that, which will open the dialog box, which will allow you to activate the integration. Once the integration will be activated, it will show the active state. Once you will hover, all the button will be visible, and then you can click on this, and then you can see the submit now link, how to run submit now, and then track. You can see the properties of this integration by clicking on this open details, and here you can see this is scheduled and two connections are used with name ATP connection and another is FTP connection learning. Here it shows the name, identifier, version, when you have updated this last time, the updated by, created date, the created by, and then smart tags. Okay, so this is all about your integration. Now go back to the monitoring. Under that monitoring, they have added one more feature which is called user usages matrix. The usages matrix will allow you to see the usages of your messages pack. You can export the list, and then from here you can see the early wise history of your messaging pack. You can export. If you click on the export button, it will export a CSV file, and which will have a default start date is the month, the start date of this month, the first, and then the current date, and then you can export. Now close it and then go to the integration. Here you see the dashboard. The dashboard is totally different now. Here you see the runtime health, system health, agent health, integration, scheduling, design time matrix, the hourly history, and then daily history of last 30 days. If you wanted to download log, you just click on this, and then you can download diagnostic log and then incident log. You can see the view, activity stream, and then design time audit. Here you see design time audit. Now again, this UI has also been changed. Go back and then click on the integration. Here on this particular screen, it will show the total instances count, 35 received, 350 received, 336 processed, succeeded, and then add out. And here you see the list of integration, how many received. It is grouping of the integration and shows this integration got 6 messages, 6 processed, 6 scheduled, 0 add out, and then aborted. And from here you can change the date range. I am saying last 3 days, and then apply. Here you go. Go to the errors. Now from here the runs navigation has been removed. The runs earlier was used to track your schedule integration, but from here this has been removed. Click on the errors. Here you see, right? Now from here you can see the error. Just click on the view details. If you click on the view details, the inline activity stream will be open. In the earlier UI, you need to click on this, click on the design time, the graphical view, click on the action menu, and then there you are able to see the activity stream. But if you wanted to see the view activity stream inline, just click on this view and you will be able to see the view activity stream from here. Go to the integration pack and settings, and then integration, and here you can see the database. Again the UI will be changed. The UI has been changed little bit, not much here. Go to the notifications, Here the UI is similar as per the earlier one, but here user certificate section has been changed. You close it, you will be see all the certificate which are listed, which are installed by Oracle itself. So guys, that's all about this part of this video. I hope you enjoyed. Now you will be able to see the new UI after enabling that feature flag. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, comment and share, and please subscribe my channel so that you can get notifications in your notification list. You can see me over LinkedIn, you can see me over Twitter, Facebook, you can see my blog https://www.techsupper.com. Thank you. Bye bye.